Welcome back to the video. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for file manager, and for you to do that, simply click on here, and then what you want to do is to go ahead and look for files by Google to make sure you have opened it. Next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and click on apps. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on system app. So you'll be taken right here. Here you can select any system app that you want to completely remove from your Android phone right here. So however, not every system app you can actually remove right here, but there are some system pre-installed app that is not necessary on your Android phone, and as a result of that, they are consume a lot of storage space. So you can simply remove them completely if you know that you are not using them. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular app right here. So what we want to do here is to click on here, and this is going to drop down. Then click on uninstall and get to replace this app with the factory version. All data will be removed. What you need to do is to simply click on OK. Uninstalling, it's as simple as that. So you can do this to remove and delete as many as possible system app from your Android device. So by the time I refresh, you'll notice that the app will no longer be in my Android phone again. Go back to my system app, then I scroll down right here. So you can see the app is no longer found on my Android phone, and with that, I will have more storage space on my Android phone. That's it. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.